Hi, it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome back to my channel where I make a lot of cake and cookie decorating tutorials as well as give a lot of baking business tips. Now, I know I've made something very similar on this channel, I think it was last year, but I decided to switch things up just a bit and pipe this wreath on differently. The first step is to create the base. Now, whenever you're rolling something in sugar, you want to make sure that you don't press down that center too hard because then you end up with a weird little bald spot. So definitely make sure you're gentle with this. Then I'm using a large star tip and I'm going to swirl this as I go around. Notice I'm turning the cupcake at the same time and really swirling this very slowly so it kind of ends up looking like a wreath flower. By the way, I am using faux Swiss meringue buttercream today for my tutorial, but you can use my favorite Italian meringue buttercream. This would also work with American buttercream, but if you really want that lift, make sure whatever buttercream you're using has a good amount of butter in there. And of course, adorn your wreath with a bunch of your favorite sprinkles. I highly recommend that you use larger ones just so it stands out a bit more and it looks more like a wreath than just a decorated cupcake. I added on these cute little gingerbread icing transfers that I made and also adding on some edible glitter. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading every single day for Vlogmas, so be sure to come back tomorrow to see what I make on the 25 days of cupcake decorating. And if you are not quite done with cake decorating content for the day, then be sure to head over to the Bake Down podcast, where Ollie and I have been uploading every single day for Vlogmas. Bye!